is everything. It is the lens through which we view the world and the way we respond to it. Your attitude is like a filter that shapes the way you see things and the way you react to them. A positive attitude can make all the difference in the world. It can turn a difficult situation into an opportunity and turn a mediocre life into an extraordinary one. Jim Rohn, the motivational speaker and author, once said, "Your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude." This statement is so true. Your attitude is the key to your success. It determines how you approach life, how you deal with challenges, and how you reach your goals. When you have a positive attitude, you see the world as a place full of opportunities. You are more likely to take risks and try new things, knowing that you will learn from your mistakes and become a better person. With a positive attitude, you will be more resilient and able to handle difficult situations with grace. You will be able to see the good in others and be able to inspire and motivate them. On the other hand, a negative attitude can be detrimental to your success. It can lead to a lack of motivation, self-doubt, and a sense of hopelessness. A negative attitude can hold you back from reaching your potential and achieving your goals. It can also have a negative impact on the people around you. The good news is that you have the power to change your attitude. It's a choice you make every day. Choose to see the world through a positive lens, and you will be amazed at the difference it will make in your life. Surround yourself with positive people, read motivational books, and practice gratitude. These are all powerful tools that can help you to cultivate a positive attitude. In conclusion, attitude is everything. It is the lens through which you view the world and the way you respond to it. A positive attitude can make all the difference in the world. It can turn a difficult situation into an opportunity, turn a mediocre life into an extraordinary one. Remember, your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude.